In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix CoinSnap app. If you're experiencing any challenge with your CoinSnap app, maybe the app is not opening, or it takes too long, or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. All right, now to fix your app, there are quite a number of steps you can take. In the first method, just go ahead and long press on your app and then choose this option called App Info. Now from here, scroll down until you see this option called Clear Data. So if I go to storage, you can see we have quite a number of data that has accumulated on this app. Of importance is this cache data. We need to go ahead and clear this cache data. So when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So to clear this, go ahead and tap on Clear Data and then choose the second option, Clear Cache, and OK. Now you can see cache files have been cleared. From this, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then open your app, and this should have fixed any challenges that you are experiencing. However, should this not fix your problems, then head to the next method, and that is just come back again to this app info page, and this time around go ahead and tap on Clear All Data and just press on OK. At this point, now the app should be up and running, and this should be able to fix most of the problems. However, if you're still experiencing any challenge, then you need to go ahead and look for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go look for CoinSnap Coin Identifier app in my Google Play Store. Here, look for any update if it is available. Then go ahead and update your app to the latest version. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of CoinSnap app that is not up to date and therefore prone to errors as well as bugs. Once you have done this, go ahead and now open your app to start using the latest version of CoinSnap app. However, should you still find a challenge, then you need to go ahead and uninstall this app and then install it afresh. By doing so, you'll be able to fix or to completely eliminate any bugs that might be associated with your CoinSnap app. So by following any of these methods, you should be able to have your app fixed and up and running without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.